I want to talk about the Blueberry ring as well as the Ura ring. So you can see here is the public key I was referring to when I tried to explain what a Web3 application needs from the user for function. So you don't have to provide your email address, you don't have to provide your name or anything like this. Only need a wallet, so a key pair for using our application. By this, the only data which is referred to your sensitive health data is a pseudonymized phrase. It's nothing more than, I can show it to you. This is everything which refers on the blockchain to all these data. You can see how beneficial this way of interacting with data as a whole and important or sensitive data like health data specifically. I just wanted to have a real example when it comes to compare the Web3 application, which is getting more traction in the world nowadays, with a Web2 application which solves the same use case. And for this, I decided to compare Blueberry Ring as well as Ura. Just from the standpoint, sorry, anonymity and pseudonymity. When we use the Blueberry Ring, our data is pseudonymous storage on the blockchain, and a comparison between us as a person and the data which is stored on the blockchain is not possible for anyone who wants to use this data. It's not possible for Moonchain as a company. It's just not possible. I think this is a really big benefit when it comes to compare this with a Web2, because there the data should be anonymous, but you don't know it. You just have to trust your intermediate, which could be Ura, which could be Samsung. Anyways, your data is stored in a central storage and maybe also laying directly next to the database which stores your payment information perfectly. When then these two databases also are connected with each other, then all of your anonymized data is gone. And yeah, you have no control and no possibility to really check if you can trust these intermediate. You only can believe them, and from once in a while can look into the newspaper and just read about the company which has to pay millions and millions of dollars or euros or whatever because they didn't anonymize the data, or they shared the data with somebody with they shouldn't share the data because it's forbidden from law. And yeah, you can solve all these problems just by using the Web3 approach of a health ring, for example.